Back to old Home Depot. I swear I'm here 10 times a day. I'm coming in to get a couple vacuum bags and some piping caps. I swear I'm in here a couple times a day. You need some vacuum bags. If anybody knows how expensive this shit is. Got that. If anybody knows what I mean about Home Depot. Wouldn't have it any other way. I'd rather be out and about than doing them 9 to 5 jobs sitting in some kind of chairs. Where's the plumbing at? There you go. Let me get some caps. This is me on a daily. Either they have so many things you can't find them, or you just can't find them. Finally found them after 20 minutes. 1.5 inch cap is what I was looking for. Pain in my ass.